If you've ever lost money sending crypto to the wrong network, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Debridge. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So what is Debridge? Debridge is a website that lets you move your crypto from one blockchain to another. For instance, if you have money on Ethereum and you want to use it on Solana, BNB chain, or any other chain, Debridge helps you send it safely and fast without stress. It also helps you swap tokens across chains. So to access the website, head to your Web3 wallet and type in app.debridge.com. So I'll be using OKX wallet for the purpose of this video. So let's head to Explore and type in app.debridge. That's it right here. Once you're here, once you've typed in app.debridge.com, you'll have an interface just like this, okay? So this right here is where the chain you're bridging from, while the space below is the chain you are bridging to. So if you want to bridge from, let's say, Matic to a different chain, you just click this drop down arrow right here, choose the chain of your choice. So then scroll down a bit, click the drop down arrow again. Let's say click Arbitrum. So you could see that you are bridging from BNB to Ethereum to Arbitrum. Okay guys, that's it on how to make bridges. So once you're done making bridges, at the top of our screen we have market, limit, and P2P. So guys, market means swap my crypto instantly at the current price. Okay, it's just like saying I don't care about the price, just swap it right now. Okay, limit on the other hand means only swap my crypto when the price reaches my amount. It's like saying don't swap unless the price is exactly what I want. While P2P, let's click it, means you are trading directly with another person, not the market. You just swap with the crypto person to person. So once we click the settings icon right here, let's click it. We could see the transaction speed is categorized into normal, aggressive, and custom. Okay, so this control how fast and expensive your transaction will be. They mainly affect gas fee, speed, and success rate. So normal is the default setting, which means medium speed, not slow, not fast, just okay. While aggressive is the fastest mode. It's just like saying I don't care about loss, all I want is for you to be fast. While custom is for the advanced users. It is for the pros in the crypto space. So you're telling Debridge you want to control everything yourself. So if you just started, use market and normal mode, as this is the safest, simplest, and least risky combo. So let's click the icon at the top right of our screen. So we have developers, the Explorer, learn, DBR, refer, and points. Okay, so developers is the feature, this feature is for people building with Debridge. If you're using Debridge to just move crypto, you can ignore this. While learn is when you study, is where you get to study how Debridge works. Okay, while then the Explorer is where you track transactions. It shows you live cross-chain stuff. So you get to track transactions. When you click the Explorer, you track transactions. It shows live cross-chain transfers. It shows success rates, pending or failed swaps. And finally, DBR is Debridge's official token, which is used for voting on decisions, rewards, and ecosystem benefits. Guys, that's Debridge in a nutshell, guys. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye.